Assalamualaikum dear students of class 3. As we are discussing the provisional culture, today we will talk about something Punjabi culture. Punjabi culture is come from the province of Punjab. Punjab province is bordered by Sindh. Punjab is the most populated province in Pakistan. Population is the number of people living in an area. Punjab is the highest populated rated in Pakistan, means most of the people living in the province of Punjab in Pakistan. So today we will talk about the Punjabi culture. As the most of the people lived here, so they must have the variety of their culture must be versatile. First of all, the people living in the Punjab, they are mostly belong to the rural area. Rural means village areas. The people living in the Punjab, they live in village. They commonly live in village. And the village people are more cultured. They are more traditional. They have very nice history. They are more lively. The most populated province of Punjab provides the largest share in the national agriculture production. As the area of Punjab is full of agriculture, the plain area, so Punjab is the province which provide crops to all over the country. The culture itself dates back and decades and is very rich. It comprises of written literature, art, cuisine, military, warfare, tradition, architecture and a spoken language. The scope, density and the history of its culture are rather vast. Punjab is not a new culture. Punjab is come from the India, and it contains the every element of culture, which include literature, which is history, art, the way of doing, cuisine, their cooking style, military and warfare, the army, the force, tradition, their heritage, architecture, the designs on the building, the historic empires, Mughal designs, and the way of speaking, that is their spoken language. These all include in the culture of Punjab. The person who resides in the region of Punjab and also a speaker of Punjabi language is considered Punjabi. As I have shown you the Sindhi alphabets and the Sindhi language, in the same way Punjabi is a complete language in itself with all history, literature, poetry, everything. Look at the image, the special Punjabi letters. Yes, even the Punjabi newspapers are also published. The Punjabi culture is spread everywhere like religion. It is more prominent in the parts of India and Pakistan. As Islam is a religion that is spread all over the world, so Punjabi is a language, it's a culture. In the world, wherever you go, you can find a Punjabi in a form of Indian or a Pakistani. It have a different caste. Many of the Punjabis are Bhat, Rajput, Jat, Sheikh, Mughal, Qureshi, Meher and Gujjar. Punjabi people are fun-loving and warm-hearted and are more likely to celebrate each and every tradition and festival. Punjabi people are very warm-hearted. They are very fun-loving. They love each other. They welcome each other. They are very good hosts. They are very trendy. Punjabi music and dance. Most prominent musical art form in the Punjabi culture is a Bhangra, and a different dance form have emerged and developed. The dances are mostly performed during the festival or celebration, and wedding being the most prominent stage for the Punjabi people to show their dance talents. The style of dance can range from the reserved to the high energy. Punjabi dance and music is famous all over the culture world. The people do bhangra and the girls do luddi. Punjabi dhol is famous, very much famous. If you listen to the Punjabi music and a Punjabi dhol itself, it gives a complete energy which make our heart enlighten happy and make us to feel like to flow in a form of music and dance in its way. Punjabi cuisine. We will talk about the Punjabi food. Punjabi people eat very healthy and fresh food. The most popular dish in the Punjabi's cuisine is tandoori chicken. Punjabi cuisine has a wide variety of dishes. The food is so popular. One common ingredient between all the Punjabi dishes is the liberal use of clarified butter, spice and ghee. Punjabi food is very much famous because of its very good health and taste. Because the province is agriculture based and it provide us the fresh food with lots of vegetables, and the specialty of the Punjabi khana is they put the ghee and the butter tarka on it, and this with a very fresh milk of lassi. Now we will talk about the Punjabi festival. Punjabi people celebrate the numerous festivals including the religious festivals such as Eid Milad-un-Nabi and Laylatul Qadr, etc. And another spring festival which is celebrated with the zeal and zest is the Basant, that is the kite flying. Now see in the image, that is the most famous festival which is celebrated in the province of Punjab in the month of February. It is a welcoming for the festival of spring. It is a this Basant is celebrated to welcome the season of spring, the season of happiness, the seasons of colors, of blooming and flowers. Because spring is the best season among the all four seasons, and it's usually celebrated in the month of February. The people do kite flying in the sky with lots of wonderful food, festivals, music, dance. These all kind of stuff are celebrated in the month of February as a month of a Basant. This is the special festival for the Punjabi people, and besides this festival, Punjabi culture also celebrate all kind of religious festival which include Eid Milad-un-Nabi, Laylatul Qadr and all. Now we will talk about the Punjabi dress. The traditional dress of the Punjab was a Punjabi gharara which was replaced by the shalwar suit, and the Patiala shalwar is also popular too. The traditional dress for the Punjabi men is the tehmat and kurta, which is now being replaced by the kurta and pajama. The people of the Punjab are very good in fashion. The specialty is the Punjabi gharara. Now it is modernized into the shalwar suit, and the village people of the men wear the tehmat, that is the pagdi, dhoti style along with the kurta. That is the special Punjabi dress. Now we will talk something about the history and conclusion of the Punjabi culture. The Punjabi culture have a deep roots in Sufism. Sufi saints spread the message of Islam by living their lives in the line with the Islamic way. The followers of these saints arrange the fair and the festival to pay tribute to them. The fair and festival showcase culture, the tradition and the folk life. The fair held the Sufi saints' shrines are commonly known as Urs and are mostly held on the death anniversary of these saints. There are many Punjabi Sufi saints, many religious Sufi people who service their life in broughting the Islam and spreading their Islam. There are many mazar, there are many shrines on all over the Punjab. Baba Farid Shakar Gandbaksh is in Pakpatan, that is also in Punjab, and many other Sufi saints. Punjab is not a new province. The Punjabi culture is a very historical culture, and it is the most colorful and versatile culture among the all Pakistani cultures. Thank you.